Okay, smile.
Nanay.
Ah. Hey, what is your name?
I
What is my name is
my son,
Zoe.
Zoe, my son, Wilmer, Iwata.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 2 years old.
Very good. Oh, langga ikaw ba? Kasi palangga tatay.
Ako,
Wah, kasi palangga nanay.
Zoe.
Very
What is
good.
your tatay's name?
Panamigan.
What is your nanay's name?
Panibuget.
Where do you live?
I
I live
live
in Manuel Vega Street,
the street,
Cagayan,
city.
Hmm.
Love you, tatay.
That is right.
Love you, Zoe.
I